This video provides an overview of managing organization options in WildTrax. Organizations sit at the top of the WildTrax hierarchy. They represent groups of users who collect data, design and publish projects, and manage equipment in survey locations. For example, a research lab or a government branch might be an organization. Organizations manage locations, visits, equipments, recordings, and images, which we'll cover in other videos. First, log into your account. Then hover over the My Data button in the top ribbon. From here, you can link to the main sections of WildTrax: My Organizations, My Projects, and Data Downloads. Click on My Organizations. This will take you to the full list of all organizations that exist in WildTrax. You can also use the toggle to only see the organizations of which you are a member. To request access to an organization, click the drop-down arrow beside the organization name and click Request Access. Fill out the form explaining why you need access to the organization and click Send. Organization administrators will review your request. To start a new organization, click on Create an Organization. To configure the settings for your existing organization, click on the pencil icon in the right-hand column or on the organization name while you're on the organization's main page. Here are the fields you can manage. The organization acronym, which is just a shorthand name for your organization. The organization's full name. The institution, company, or group. The institution the organization is a part of, such as a university or government branch. Set the primary and/or secondary principal investigators. Default storage location. The geographic AWS server location where the data will be stored. If you want your data kept in Canada, select the Montreal option. Default location buffering. Toggle between true or buffered locations to set the default buffer for the organization's locations. Buffer size. The default radius of the buffer applied to the locations of the organization. Default visit image access. This is the default privacy setting that will be applied to visit photos uploaded to the organization. Choose between private, project access only, or public. Allow location reports. This creates location summary reports when enabled. This lets organizations users share specific location reports with collaborators without having to give full project or organization access. This is particularly useful for organizations who need to provide reports to landowners, leaseholders, partners, and collaborators. Facial blurring. This selects whether you opt in or out of facial blurring for images. Description. A short description about the organization. After completing the required fields, select Save or Submit for approval by the WildTrax administrator. Once your organization is approved, a tab appears in the organization settings that will allow you to add any WildTrax user to your organization, either as an administrator or read-only member. To add users to your organization, click on the User Assignment tab and search for the user, and then click on the read-only or administrator box depending on which level of access you wish to grant them. Congratulations! Now you know how to manage your organization.